brain is still working or not. Can I have the questions, please?
Miss Devi, the questions from the audience.
The first question, 899 into 899 is 808201. Thank you. 675 cubed is 307546875. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 9 is 1111111101.
How are you doing it?
How?
Alright, so this video is about, as you can see the title, number tricks and number patterns. Number tricks, that is special types of number tricks, means with the help of those tricks you can easily multiply the numbers, you can easily find the squares and the cubes of numbers as shown in the movie. And then number tricks, number patterns that is, we'll see later on, like number pattern of 1, 2, 9, etc. With the very first trick, we will start the video with squaring a two-digit number. Squaring a two-digit number means how to square it within very short period of time. So when you have to square a two-digit number, let's say for example, you want to square 87, you want to find the square of 87. So how to find it? The original and the traditional method is you do like this, 87 multiplied by 87, okay, put a 0 and then do the, but this takes a lot of time, right, and it is not at all advisable, but we want to be in shortest way. So first method I will show you here, how to find the square of 87. So 87, so write 3 zeros like this, 1, 2 and 3, okay, 3 zeros like this. And then you write the successive squares, means first is 8, so 8 square 64, so write 64 like this. Then you have 7, 7 square is 49, so here write 49, right, and in between you have to multiply them. 8 7s are 56 and 56 2s is 112. What I have done, multiply the two digits and then double the answer. So 8 7s are 56 and 56 2s are 112. That is the thing, and now add all these things. So you get a 9, 6, so 4 plus 1 5 and 7. So that is your answer. The square of 87 is 7569. As usual, you know that we are going to check it. So let us have it, 87 square, that is 7569. That is one method. Let us see another question, and then I will show you another method also. Let's say for example I want to square, suppose any number, suppose 47 or 48, suppose square of 48. So first step what I will do, I will write 3 zeros like this, 1, 2 and 3 zeros like this in a triangular form. Now after that, write the squares of successive digits. 4, so 4 square is 16, so write 16 here. Then 8, 8 square is 64, so write 64 here. And here you write the product, 8 fours are 32, 32 twos are 64, so 64 again right here. And now simply edit, 6 and 4 10, 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13, and then it is a 2. So 2304 is your answer, okay, as the traditional way, check it, 48 square is 2304. I will show you some more numbers and then I will show you the another method, how to find it. Okay, so let us pick up another number, big numbers and small numbers. Let's start with some small numbers. Suppose, let's say 23 square. I want to find the square of 23 with this method. So what to do, as you know, 3 zeros, put this 3 0 like this, okay, and now successive squares. 2 is the first digit, so write here the square of 2, which is 4. 3 is the second digit, so 9, which is the square of this, and in between 3 2s are 6 and then double it, 12, so the answer is 12. Finally add all of them, so 9, 2 and 629. Let us do it first and then we will check all the values. Okay, this was small one. Now let us take some middle range. So let us take suppose 59 square. Right, now 59 square. So starting with this, you know that you have to write 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3 zeros like this. Okay, now 5 is the first digit, 5 square is 25. Okay, then second digit is 9, so 9 square is 81, so write 81. And in between 9 5s are 45 and 45 2s are 90. So the total 1, 8, 14 and 3. 3, 4, 8, 1 is your total. There is a square of 59. So let us check 23 square, 529, 59 square, 3481. Alright. Now learn one last one, we'll see, and then I will show you another method for all these numbers. All these numbers, that is the same numbers, I will show you the square to find with another trick also. And then you can use any one you like. Now let's take the 97. Okay, let's say for example quite a big number, 2-digit number only we are taking. So maximum 99 is the highest possible one. So now again the same routine, 3 zeros, put it like this in a triangular order. And now you go for 9 square, that's 81, 7 square, that's 49, 7 9s are 63, 63 2s are 126. Now just add it, 9, 10, 2 and 2 4, 8 and 1 9. So 9409 is your answer. So yeah, let us check it, 97 square and that is 9409 and that's correct. And now we'll see another method to find the square, a different technique that is. So let us now see an alternate way to find the square of 2-digit number. Let us go with the same number, suppose 87 square. Now this is going to be little bit you can say lengthier than that. I prefer the previous one. Now it is up to you which one you like. You can go for that. So in this method you have to start with the same, almost same digit. First 7, so the square of 7 is 49. Then you have 8, square of 8 is 64. Now here in between also same thing, 7 8s are 56 and the double of 56 is 112. So write 112 and finally you go with the answer like this. So start with the last digit here, so which is 9. Now this 4 you take it here. Okay, so plus 4 it is there. You get 116, right? So just put 6 and 11 you take again here, right? So that answer is 75 and write it, 7569 is your answer. If we check with the previous one, the answer is correct. But see this trick and see this one. So I prefer this one, as I told you. This is very short. Yeah, as compared to this one is less, because you will see that in this trick in large numbers it will be very problematic. So the answer is always going to same. Here you have to just take care that only the digit on the right side you have to pick. Means here suppose 49, so 9 pick up, 4 take it over to the another group. Here the 116, so just pick 6 and 11 also shift to the next group. So just you have to pick up the digit which is on the rightmost side and rest all the figures you shift to the other group, right? And with this method, as I told you, let us see not all but some of them. Let us go back to the previous questions. So next I think I have done 23, the square of 23, and to show this square, same technique. 3 is there, so 3 square is 9, 2 is there, 2 square is 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 it is there, so 12 you have to take. This 3 is obvious. Now how to write it properly? So write with the last digit which is 9. Now there are no 2 digits, otherwise you could have taken this digit to the left side. 9 as it is, now 12 as it is, 12, so write just 2 only, and this one you take here, 4 plus 1 which is 5, and the answer is 529. So that is, I think the trick is very clear to you now. Let us go one more, 97 which we have done, 97 square. Alright, last one which I have, 59, I will show it here. Okay, so 7 square again 49, 9 square 81. Now 7 9s are 63 and 63 2s are you have 126, right? This is how your splitting is done. So 49, so pick up 9, 4 you take here. So this is 130. Now this 0 you pick here and 13 will go, this 13 it will go here plus 13. So which is 94 and your final answer is 9409. And the one which is left, let me show you that also, which is your 59 square. So that I will show here so that we can compare both the things. 59 square. So here 9 square 81, 5 square 25. Now 5 9s are 45, 45 2s are 90 you have. So start with your 1, last more digit, then 8 is here, you get 98. So just put 8 here, 9 you take that side, 25 plus 9 is 34. So 3481 is your answer for the square of 59. And I have this page, we can compare easily this method with this method. And according to me, this method is proper, you can say suitable, it is done easily. But that is up to you because different opinions have different choices. So that is up to you. Both of them almost plus or minus 2 seconds are there, but this one is more preferably chosen. Because you will see that even in the square of 3-digit number, this method is going to work very rapidly. So now let us see the square of 3-digit numbers. And we go to the number 899 into 899, which is done in the movie clip. Alright, squaring a 3-digit number with the same technique. Now let's let us take one number. Suppose 234. We want to find the square of a 3-digit number. Always try to compare with the traditional way. You know, 234 multiplied by 234. So this is a 3-digit number multiplied by 3-digit number. So you can imagine how hard the calculation is going to be. But I will make it very simple for you. What you have to do, the pattern of zeros, like see this properly, you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then after you put 2 zeros, then you leave some space. After that you put 3 zeros, then you put a 1 zero, and then you put 2 zeros. So understand this properly. 3 0, 2 0, no 0. With 3 0, 1 0, 2 0. Okay. Now what to do after this? So again you have to take the numbers. First number is 2, or the first digit is 2. Square of 2 is 4. So write here 4. Next number is 3. So the 3 square is 9. So write here 9. Last number is 4. So 4 square is 16. So write 16 here. After doing this, the remaining 3 you have to do little bit as we did it. So first two numbers, multiply first two numbers. 2 3s are 6 and double it. 6 2s are 12. So write here 12. Okay, first two. Then second and third. So 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So write 24. And then first and the third one. 2 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So write here 16. So what have you done in these 3? Again I would like to show you. First two numbers product every time. Multiply them and double them. So 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12. And 3 4s are 12, 2s are 24. Then 2 4s are 8, 2s are 16. Okay, and then finally add all of this. So 6, 4 and 1 5, 6 and 2 8, 8 and 9 17, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4, and 4 and 1 5. So this is your answer. Alright, before again explaining again, I will like to check it. 234 square. So 54756. It is totally correct. So how is it done? Let us go back to another number, and in fact let us take that number only which is taken in the movie. 899 into 89. So that is basically 899 square. Means the general topic you can take it as a square of a 3-digit number or squaring a 3-digit number. So again you have to follow this pattern of zeros, and I will like to show you here the pattern of zeros. Okay, so start with 4 zeros. Then start with 2 zeros. Then put 2 zeros. Then no zeros. Okay, then again put 3 zeros, 1 zeros, and finally 2 zeros. Okay, this is the logic. Why is it done? So that you have to, it is not, yes, it is an important thing. It is algebraic expression of a plus b whole square. That I would like to explain it in other videos. But the thing is, normally it is, means every time you have to apply only. How is it done? that is also important, but most of the time you have to apply only. So we'll focus on the application part, right? So 4020 no zeros, 301020. And now you write the successive numbers like 8 is their first number. So 8 square is 64, so write 64 here. Then you have 9, 9 square is 81, so write 81 here. Then also you have 9 again, which is 81, so again you put 81, right? Now 8 9s are 72 and 72 2s are 144, so write 144. As I told you, multiply the numbers and find the double. Okay, first, second, third. So 9 9s are 81, 81 2s are 162, so write 162 here. And finally first and the third. So here first and the second one, here second, third, and here first and the third. So that is how you have to follow. So here 8 9s are 72 and 72 means again here it is 8 9s are 72, so 144 will come, so it will be again 142. And then the rest you have to just add it. 1 10 is there, 6 plus 4 10 and 2 12, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, 10 and 8 18 is there, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5, so 10 is there, 6 7 and 8, so 808 201. And you can see on this my screen the answer she is giving is similar to that one, right? So this pattern, zero pattern, is one method, and I would like to show you another method. Both the questions we'll see with the help of another method, and then you will really see that this method is very helpful as compared to the another one. So now let us see the another pattern. So what is the alternative way? Let us see that now, squaring the numbers. The first one I took 234 and then 899. So I would like to square 234 and then 899. Okay, with the alternative way. Now alternative way is also very good, but as compared to previous one, it is taking some more time. So here what you have to do, 2, 3 and 4. So diagonally write the values of their squares. So what I want to say here is 234 suppose. So 2 is there. Suppose let me show you here 2. So 2 square is 4. Okay. Then you have 3. So 3 square is 9. And then you have a 4. So 4 square is 16. So write like this diagonally. Now product of the first two numbers. 2 3s are 6. So put 6 here and 6 here. Now here product of first and the last. So 2 4s are 8, 8. And then product of last two. 4 3s are 12 and 12 here. So this is how you make a 3 by 3 small square grid, and start with the last number, which is 16. So put this 6 here in the answer. 6 will be the last digit. Now this one will go with this one, and you make a group of these three. So 12 plus 12, 24 and 1, 25. So put 5 here and 2 here. So that is another group now. So 8 into 10 or 8, 8, 8, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 7 you put here and 2 you put here. 6 plus 6, 12 and 2, 14. So 4 here and 1 here. And finally 4 plus 1, 5. So 5, 4, 7, 5, 6. And we can check it is as it is 5, 4, 7, 5, 6. It is the similar one. So that is also, since there are small numbers, you can say that it is a very easy trick. But now I will show you that this trick is really difficult when it comes very big numbers. So I would like to show it to you now. So how to write again, let us see. 8 first number, so 8 square 64. Then it is a 9, so 9 square 81. Then again a 9, so 9 square again 81. So this is how diagonally you write. Now here, these two places you write the product of first two numbers. So 8 9s are 72, 72. Here and here you write the product of first and the third digit. So again 8 9s are 72, 72 only it will come. And finally in these two places you write the product of second and third. 9 9s are 81, so write 81, 81. Here you cannot, if I have shown you directly this, so you might get confused because there are two similar digits. So that is why I have shown you first this number. And now simply you have to go as it is. I told you, start with this 81. So 1 will be the last digit. Take 8 here and add it with this 3. 81, 81. So 8, 1, 9 and 1, 10. So 0 is there. So 8 and 8, 16 and 1, 17. So add that 17 here. So these 3 now, 72, 72. So 7 plus 1, 8 and 2, 10 and 2, 12. So put 2 here, 12, so 1 here. Now 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 1, 8 and this 8. So 24 is there, so add a 24 here, which is the leftover. Now 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So write 8 here and 7 plus 7 is 14. So and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 is there. Now 7 plus 7 plus 2, 14 plus 2 is 16. So plus 16 will be with this last row. And finally 64 plus 16 and that is nothing but 80. So your answer is 808201, which is your previous one, 808201. Alright. So this is how you can square a 3-digit number with the help of 2 methods I have shown you. This is called box multiplication method, on which a video is already there on my channel, you can check it. And this is the zero pattern method. Zero pattern, that is first you write the number of zeros. Okay, so that is how you quickly find the trick. This number is shown in the movie, right? And now we'll see other numbers like this second numbers which are there shown in here.